All right, so somebody asked, how do you do odd time signatures on the MPC? So I'm going to show you how to do it on the software, and I'm going to show you how to do it on the hardware in standalone mode. So if you don't know what odd time signatures are, don't worry about it. It's like some heavy music theory shit. Not here to teach music theory right now, but we're going to show you how to do the odd time signatures on there. So first of all, you go to Preferences, go to Project Defaults. Firstly, you can go from 4/4 time all the way up to 4/32, 4/16, 4/8, 4/4. Other one, you can go from 1/4, 2/4, all the way up to 16/4. How do you do odd time signatures? You just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. We'll leave it in 11/4. Hit OK. Make sure you go to New Project to reset everything. Now you have 11/4 time in your project. Show you one more time. I'm gonna go to 9/8. Go to Project Defaults. Go up to 8. 9/8 time. Hit OK. New project. Boom. Now you have 9/8 time. Like I said, it's not a lesson on music theory. So if you want to understand odd time signatures, I suggest you look up music theory. I have a music theory course. If anybody's interested, it is for sale because, trying to get to the bag. So just holler at me if you want to learn music theory and apply it to your MPC. Me, however, I like regular standard Western music, 4/4 timing. So I'm going to switch it back before we go so you can see how to reset it. And reset the project, new project. Voila. Back to 4/4 timing. Stay tuned for the way to do it on standalone mode. You hit the menu button, go up to the cog wheel for the preferences setting. You go from info to project defaults. This is in standalone mode. Then you go default time signature numerator. You can crank it up from 4 down to 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 16/4 time, 15/4 time, 13/4 time, 12/4, 11/4. You know what I'm saying? You can go from 11/4 all the way up to 32. If you know about time signatures, then I shouldn't have to explain it to you. You know what I'm saying? You can have a 9/8 time signature. But like I said, I'm interested in 4/4 timing. So let me put that right back. Maybe 6/8 timing if you want to do the triplets. But we're not doing all that since, double time is a thing now.